Okay, we found the problem. So this is the wire they used. This is the wire we're using. You can see the difference in the thickness and the quality. But the problem was actually over here. The wire broke off, the cheap connector, and the strands were actually touching. That's where we were getting the half ohm from. Then that's another thing. So use a connector here. Then instead of soldering here, use butt connectors. The wires have been spliced like 4 times. The bike's not that long. How do you have a connector, butt connector, connector, speaker, connector, all on one line? Doesn't really make sense. But it's all right. It's fixed now.